I'm at airport departing to Spain, Barcelona. This is France airport, Terminal 3. This is Barcelona, Spain. I just arrived and I get check in my hotel, and now I want to explore the city and find some food. I'm really hungry, but the weather looks better than UK and France. I feel less cold here and it's sunny, because in France it was cloudy and more cold. In UK was really rainy and cold. Here is so far no rain. Alright, so I found some bakery here. Let me explore and then maybe some other place. Yeah. Yeah, so far it looks beautiful. It's clean, it's very sunny, not so cold as France. Paris was really cold, UK was really cold. So hopefully here goes everything fine. Yeah, I love the weather is here. It's beautiful. It's so sunny. Amazing. Alright. Leo shop. I've seen a couple of Leo shops here. Architecture in Europe is beautiful. The buildings are really beautiful. Yeah, I believe I am near to the point. Hopefully so. Yeah, it looks that. It looks like that. Okay, let's walk. Oh, this is getting charged. Electric car. I got a 3-leaf free, just dropped from up. I think this is here somewhere. It looks bad. Hopefully it is. Yo, no. Have to wait, man. Yeah, let's walk to there. Barcelona, Spain. A statue of horse, no liberty. Oh, it's beautiful sunny day. It's really beautiful. Oh yeah, let's take a sun bath here. Look at pigeons. There are so many pigeons here. This is like Pigeon Square. Oh, that's Bank of Spain building. Huge billboard of something. Statue and things. Looks cool here. Wow, look at the pigeons. Wow. Keep watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.